Simply Food by TY.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Simply Food by TY. So look, today, baby, as y'all can see, I have gone to hip hop fish and chicken. And I'm gonna get more into all of that and what it's all about and where it's from as soon as I finish saying grace so that we can jump into this food because I definitely do not want this to get cold. Let's say our grace really quick. Lord, it's me. I would just like to thank you for waking me up yet another day. But I would like to have a conversation with you. When I woke up this morning, I was not expecting it to actually snow, Jesus. I would just like to ask you to just take it back, Lord. I don't want the snow. I don't want to see the snow. I don't want to feel the snow. I want to feel the heat, the warmth of your love, my God. In your name I pray. Please take it back. Amen. Let's eat. Y'all, my fries then already got cold as hell. So, at Hip Hop, they got some of the best hot sauce ever. I got me a half and half. Let me tell you something. If you from the DMV, you already know what this experience is about to be like. And you already know what all that white powder is. I think it's crack. Let's just jump into this video, y'all. I am so hungry. Oh my God. I'm gonna tell you something. Hip Hop Fish and Chicken is so damn good. And you want to talk about, oh my God, that seasoning. Their hot sauce to me is so damn hot. I love them because I think they're so cheap. I think they're not expensive. I got 10 whole wings, fries, and this drink for $15. I don't think that's bad at all. And you can tell they clean their chicken. Because there ain't no hair in sight. Baby, if you are from the DMV, y'all know the power of a good half and half, honey. You don't see that? Y'all will be seeing me do a lot of hip hop fish and chicken. I can tell y'all right now. because because they let you pour the hot sauce yourself. Every single time I go, I always take extras. That way I can have some at home. Mm-hmm. People like Popeyes and all of that. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. It's hip hop. That's where I go when I want chicken, for real, for real. How y'all babies doing? Is everybody having a good day? I hope so. I want you guys to have the most fantastic new year. Because the way I see it is, when you put positive energy out in the world, and when you try to layer it on to other people's lives, it does nothing but bring happiness to you as well. So I think if we all spend more time, you know, just trying to uplift each other, this will be a better place. I'm over here eating this chicken weird as hell because I'm trying to avoid using this finger. Because I didn't want to I wanted to let it, air out a bit because I've had it so wrapped up for so long. Can y'all see me? I feel like it's so dark in here today. Baby, it is something but a half and half. My God. Okay, I'm back. When you was... I brought a tear to my fat ass. When you was hungry, I'm gonna tell you something. A half and half could bring a tear to a big bitch's eye. Hey. My God. Mm-mm-mm. Let me tell you something. My girl Q. Q, do you know anything about hip hop fish and chicken? Do they have that in Delaware? I don't know if they have them all the way out in Delaware, to be honest. Let me know. Because when you come into town, we need to make sure you try this. Because you will have a full-blown conniption at how good this chicken is. Q would tear this chicken up. I don't know. I don't know what that white stuff is. I promise you, it's not sugar. because my chicken don't taste sweet. And it's not lemon pepper. Because I don't taste any lemon at all. I promise you, I think it's crystallized crack. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh, God, I'm getting full. Oh, Lord. I don't even know how many wings. I feel like I got so many damn wings left. I did get 10. Next time I'll probably get some fish. I gotta be in the mood for fried fish. That's not something I really eat during the wintertime. Well, you know what I mean? Fried fish, or really any fish in general, to be honest. I gotta be in the mood to eat it, and I just realized that for the first time in my life. And it's not that I don't like fish. I like fish, but for some reason I gotta be in the mood for it. Whew. If I would stop drinking all this stuff. I wouldn't be so full. How many wings do I got left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, y'all, I'm gonna eat this and then I think I'm done, because your boy is getting full. And I will gladly tear them wings up later on this afternoon. Oh, excuse me, pig. I knew that was gonna happen. So someone said that they wanted me to try ASMR. Now this is the thing. At first, I used to think that ASMR was an absolute joke. I didn't understand it. I didn't know what the hell people were doing. I was like, why are these people online eating pickles and crunching and doing all this mess and all this damn unnecessary smacking? But baby, I didn't realize how many different types of ASMR there is. And the ones I've been finding lately, when I tell you have changed my life, and I can't even believe I'm saying this, I used to have such issues falling to sleep at night. And I'll be damned, I can't think of the guy's page that I watch. But he's pretty popular. Excuse me. And he doesn't eat. Well, I think he has like maybe 1 or 2, but for the most part, it's just like objects that he uses. And for some reason, those sounds are so soothing to me. I'm like, am I losing my mind? Or am I really like over here like falling asleep to this for the last 2 nights in a row? I have watched his videos going to sleep at night. When I tell you, I be knocked out. I be knocked. Passed out. So I think I'm a believer. So if I were to do ASMR, I feel like maybe I would do that type. I don't know if I could do the eating one. I might like try it, but I don't know, y'all. The eating one will probably work on my own damn nerves. I cannot be on no camera like, hey guys, so I'm going to be eating. Okay, let's try it right now. I guarantee I'm gonna start laughing. I know it. Because I'm too immature for this. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. Okay. Hey guys. Welcome. Hey guys. Welcome back to Simply Food by TY. So today I'm gonna do some fried chicken and hopefully you will get all of the tingling sensations. Let's try a piece of fried chicken. I'm gonna eat a piece of fried chicken now. I can't do it. I can't be bothered. First of all, I refuse to be online. I refuse to be online chewing like a cow. And that unnecessary smacking, I can't do it. And I'm not even saying that the people who do it, it's unnecessary. Clearly, it's because they have a mic that is meant for it, so it picks up literally every sound possible. But, I wouldn't be able to edit the videos because I would be cringing to listen to myself doing that. I don't know, y'all. I might try it. Once I get, like, my setup the way I want it, get, like, a better camera and a better mic, I might try it. I don't know. Honey. But all I know is I am full, y'all. And y'all already know how much I love y'all and how much I appreciate y'all and how much I don't take any of y'all for granted. Because for real, y'all don't have to be watching me, but you do. Whether it's because you like what I'm eating, whether it's because you like my content, whether it's because you think I'm funny, whether it's because you think I'm a fool, or maybe just because you're bored. Either way, I appreciate you being here. And on that note, I'm going to sign out. So as always, y'all babies stay cute and take care. Bye.
Simply Food by TY.